Hello, trading is closed on July 26, 2017. My recording software is not working properly. I've made several attempts. I'll make one more. Yesterday I said if we gapped over the highs that these targets wouldn't necessarily print. That's what happened, but this one printed anyway and was a support level. There's a new target from today's pattern, 2481.22. Ultimately, it should print. Doesn't have to be tomorrow, but often it's pretty soon. We have positive and negative signals from today's pattern, so the most likely thing is we have a gap and quickly trade outside the day's range. If that doesn't happen, we close a little change, have the big move on Friday. When this pattern does not close near the high, it's negative. When we drop all day, can't hold on to the lows, that's positive. Either one of these would be negated with a gap in the other direction. There are a number of things favoring the gap being down, even though futures are up as I'm recording this. The first move after the Fed announcement, although a small one, was down. That usually tells you where you're going next. We have a wall into the close. We haven't violated the stop loss on the DeMark weekly sell signals. I've been disappointed with DeMark's stuff all the way up, but we now have a daily sequential sell, back-to-back sequential sells. Here's your 9, 13, 9, 13. It indicates the market's extremely overextended, and the record low level on the old VIX, the VXO, is telling us public optimism is at all-time record levels based on that indicator. On a closing basis, we haven't violated my target, and the intraday high only violated by 3 points, which isn't enough for me to throw in the towel quite yet. Here's a 1.5-year-old inverted, a diamond on stilts. You don't know which points to take, but if you take this one and this one, set it at 38.2, there's your target right there. My friend, the late Bill Blount, used to talk about how the bears would always drop the soap. They'll drop it tomorrow. If we gap up sharply and overtake this high, it's hard for me to see us keeping this scenario. This is a top if we go significantly higher from these levels. The bears finally win one. If they gap down, promptly take out this low tomorrow. If they do and they follow through, then this high could stand for some time. So tomorrow's open is critical, and that's today's call.